Hello, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. I know we're at crazy times right now, but we'll get through this. So today I'll be showing you guys different climate regions of the world. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sharing my screen right now. Okay, alrighty class, let's get started. We'll be learning climates in different regions of the world. So here are today's standards. Record patterns of the weather across different times and areas so that they can make predictions about what kind of weather might happen next. And climate describes a range of an area's typical weather conditions and the extent to which those conditions vary over years. Here are your guys' objectives. Students will analyze and interpret data to understand what is climate in different parts of the world. Students can also ask questions about what caused changes in weather patterns. Students can predict weather conditions based on the information collected. Students will know climate is the typical weather patterns over many years, and students will know different climates vary around the world due to different amounts of rain, varying temperatures, and wind patterns. So today, class, I'm gonna start with the discussion. What is the weather right now today outside? Is it cold? Is it hot, warm? Okay, yeah. Is it cold? No, okay. Is it hot? No, okay. Is it warm? Okay. And how's the sky right now? Is it sunny, is it cloudy? Oh, okay. A few clouds outside. So this picture describes it. Okay, so as I mentioned, this weather is is similar to climate. And you might be asking, what is climate? Climate is the average weather conditions in a place over a long period of time, 30 years or more. And as you probably already know, there are lots of different types of climates on Earth. So for example, hot regions are normally closest to the equator. The climate is hotter there because the sun's light is most directly overhead at the equator. And the north and south poles are cold because the sun's light and heat are least directed there. So like you can see with this, the sun is hitting Earth throughout the sunlight. So it's gonna turn around. So that's how it gets heat, correct? So like you can see right now by these colors. So as you can see, red with this many parts at the bottom is hot, and the purple on top is cold. So as I mentioned before, there are many different climates. So today I will be focusing on 5 different types of climates. So let's talk about the first region, tropical. In this hot and humid zone, the average temperatures are greater than 64 degrees year-round, and there is more than 59 inches of precipitation each year. Dry, subtropics. These climate zones are so dry because moisture is rapidly evaporated from the air and there is very little precipitation. Temperate. In this zone, there are typically warm and humid summers with thunderstorms and mild winters. Continental, subpolar. So these regions have warm to cool summers and very cold winters. In the winter, this zone can experience snowstorms, strong winds, and very cold temperatures, sometimes falling below -22 degrees. And polar. In the polar climate zones, it's extremely cold. Even in the summer, the temperatures here cannot even go higher than 50 degrees. So if you guys want to know more, I'll be showing you guys a video. So let me go ahead and show the video.
Party Pack 7 is here. And this time...
There we go.
Heat around the equator. Hot summers in the Mediterranean. Spring, summer, fall, and winter in New York. Snowstorms in Greenland. And icy temperatures at the South Pole. The global climate can be divided into multiple zones. Here a range of factors come into play. Among the most important is the sun. Depending on the position of the Earth relative to the sun, it heats the land and water more in some places and less in others. In this process, warm air rises while cold air sinks. This results in wind, water vapor, and rain clouds. All this contributes to climate distribution. There is a line around the center of our globe called the equator. The regions surrounding this line are the tropics. Since the sun's rays hit the Earth here almost straight on all year round, days are basically the same length, and also just as warm whatever the season. Depending on the altitude, temperatures range between 50 and 0 degrees Celsius. The tropics are home to rainforests with lots of precipitation, where plants grow in abundance, as well as extremely dry regions, such as the savannas in Africa. Adjacent to the tropics are the subtropics. The summers are very hot, but the average temperature of the coldest month remains below 20 degrees Celsius. The subtropics include a number of deserts, as well as the Mediterranean region. Here the summer months are relatively dry, while in winter plenty of rain makes the landscapes flourish. And then there are also regions where every month brings scattered showers. Different plants flourish here at different times of the year. The temperate zone, which includes New York, is defined by the familiar seasons. Winters can be icy cold, with a maximum of 4 daylight hours in some areas. On the other hand, summers are pleasantly warm, with up to 16 hours of sunshine. This zone is primarily home to deciduous, coniferous, and mixed forests. With the subpolar zone, we move farther still from the equator. Sunlight hits the Earth at a very shallow angle here, which is why the days in summer can be extremely long. Temperatures are typically just above freezing, and there is lots of precipitation. By contrast, winter days are very short, and due to the polar easterly winds, really cold with low precipitation. In the subpolar regions, coniferous forests can still be found in some areas. The closer you get to the polar caps, the bleaker and colder it becomes. Now we are left with the polar zones, also known as cold deserts. At the North Pole is the Arctic, with lots of lowland. At the South Pole is Antarctica, with lots of mountains. Almost no plants grow in the polar zones because the conditions are far too poor. In the summer, it stays light throughout the day and night, while in the winter it remains dark for almost half a year. Temperatures rarely exceed 0 degrees Celsius. These climate zones can be divided further, such as into biomes or vegetation zones. The boundaries between climate zones are rather blurred. As a result of global warming, the zones are moving, making all regions warmer and drier. So it's possible that New York may eventually look like this in the future.
Okay. Okay, class, what did you guys think of the video? What did you learn from that? Anybody want to share? Yeah, especially in the cold. It's very cold, so you can't experience hot things in there. So good observations. Anyone else? Yeah, usually it's hot, yeah, but it's a lot of rain, but it's hot. So good observation. So I want to give something. As you can see, at the equator, in the middle, it's hot. So it's in the tropical zone. So as it goes down and up, it's gonna get colder and colder. So you can see at the bottom, you can't barely see it. But you look at the top, it's very cold. So that will help you. And you wanna know something? This is how our time passes during temperature. During the summer, it's very hot, as you can see. But then when it's coming like October, November, it gets really cold. So yeah, so let's go over some animals, some interesting animals. So all right, so some animals that live in tropical regions. Examples. I want you guys to read it out together with me. Jaguars. Okay. Next one, forest deer. Next one, sloths. Next, lemurs. And last one, pangolin. I know those are so hard to pronounce, so we got this. So here's the next region, in the dry regions. Okay, we'll try this one together, okay? Thicket Tinamo. Very good, very good. I love you guys put in effort, so you guys aren't perfect, but at least we try, obviously. Yes. Next one, Miriam's kangaroo rat. Next, cane toad. Next, American alligator. Next, yellow napped parrot. Okay. Here are the next ones. In temperate regions. First one, repeat after me. Jackal. Rabbits. Aardwolves. Very good. Montebok Antillon. Montebok Antillon. Okay. Last one, musk shrews. Very good. Very good. Next one, continental regions. So here we go. Red squirrels. Coyotes. Bison. Grizzly bears. Next one, prairie dogs. Okay, last one, guys. Polar regions. Penguins. Walruses. Arctic foxes. Huskies. Polar bears. Seals. Reindeer. Sea lions. And Arctic hares. Very good, class. Very good. So, guided practice. So let's work on this together. So, in front of you, you guys have a worksheet. So, a handout. So, you guys ready? Okay, here we go. Polar climate. This very cold climate is found in the polar regions of the world and on the highest mountains. Temperatures can range from 10 degrees Celsius in the summer to -40 degrees Celsius in the winter. Not much rainfall, less than 250 milliliters. The ground is always frozen, so farming is impossible. So out of these options here at the bottom, which one fits into this polar climate? Very good. Yes, polar bears. Polar bears live in the polar region, so in the cold. So what is polar class again? Yes, it's very cold, so very good. Let's see, let's try another one that's very easy. Well, this one is very easy for y'all. Dry and desert climates. So very dry areas, mostly found around the tropics. On the west side of continents, local winds blow from the land to the sea, keeping the air dry. Daytime temperatures can reach 50 degrees Celsius. Nights can be very cold with no clouds to keep the heat in. So out of these 5 pictures, which one fits correct? Yes, the camel. So basically in the desert. Yes, this fits perfectly. All right, let's look at tropical rainy climate. This climate is found in tropical latitudes. The sun is high in the sky for the whole year. The very hot and moisture conditions cause a lot of convection rainfall. Average temperatures are up to 32 degrees Celsius, and annual rainfall can reach 2,000 millimeters. Dense forest grows in layers. So we have 3 left. Which one could it be, class? The one far right? Yes, absolutely. So as you can see in tropical rainforests, you'll see these more often and the rain will come in. So yes, that is correct. So next one is warm temperature climate. This is a group of similar climates which are found in many areas, including Britain. Average temperature range from 2 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is light, usually about 1,000 milliliters. So which one could be correct? Warm. Or it could be warm. You mean these? The trees? Yes, absolutely. Very good. Now the last one. Cool temperature climate. This zone is found south of the Arctic bonds of continuous forests stretch across northern Europe and Canada. The high latitude keeps temperatures cold. These range from -40 degrees Celsius in winter to 21 degrees Celsius in summer. Rainfall is low. It is not usually more than 500 milliliters. So which one is left, class? Yes, very good, very good. Yes, this image is correct. Okay, class, very good. Very happy. All right, now in a piece of paper, I'm gonna give you guys, I want you to label these. On the left is each region. And on your right, there's some different animals in these areas. So write down these, and I want you guys to like match it. So let me show you. Let me go ahead and draw a line. Say like if subtropic region fits into sea lions, you'll draw a line there. That's how I did right now. So you guys will do this for 5 minutes. And once the 5 minutes are up, we're gonna go over them. Okay, class, 5 minutes passed up. So let's go ahead and start going over these. So first animal, penguins. Where do the penguins live? Yes, correct. Polar region, very good. Now the next animal, sea lions. Where does the sea lions go? Yes, very good. Polar region. Now, next one, jaguars. Jaguars. You guys know where jaguars live? No? Anyone? Anyone? It's okay. Yes, very good. Tropical regions. Okay. So next one, lemurs. Where do the lemurs live? Yes, also in the tropical region. Very good. Very good. Very good, guys. Doing a very good job. So next one, cane toad. Where does a cane toad live? Very good, yes, subtropics. So we're in the dry region. Very good. Next one, thicket tinamou. Where does that animal live? Yes, very good. Subtropic region, very good. Next one, bison. Where do the bisons live? Very good, yes. Continental, which is subpolar, close to the cold areas. Very good. Next one, prairie dogs. Where do they live? Anyone want to share? Yes, very good. Very good. Subpolar also. Now, last two. Almost there, y'all. Jackals. Where do the jackals live? Very good. Temperate regions. Very good, class. Last but not least, aardwolves. Where do they live? Yes, good job, class. Temperate regions. Good job, everyone. So proud of you all. I hope I see some perfect scores. No, I'm just kidding. No one's perfect. Y'all did amazing. Okay, so next thing I want to do with you guys. Let me go ahead and back share my screen. Test. Oh, don't give me those faces. No, no, no. No, I'm not giving you all tests. Okay, it is a test, but you guys see computers on your desk. So we're gonna play some Kahoot in the computers. This will be your test, your knowledge. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and play some Kahoot. So turn on your computers, go to Kahoot, kahoot.it, and please enter this code. Is everyone ready? Okay, we'll give it a few seconds. I'm gonna let everyone try to sign in. Everyone ready now? Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Ready? First question. How many climates did I cover in this lesson? 4, 6, 8, or 5? Very good, class. I covered 5 different climates. Good job. Next question. Which climate was the coldest? What was it called, class? Very good, very good. Polar, yes. Next question. Now, which climate is the hottest? Yay, very good. Yes, tropics. Good job. Which climate is the warmest? Good job, class. Very well. Very well done. Temperate. Which 2 other climates did we also learn? Good job. Yes. So I put 2 answers. So if you put dry or continental, very good job. True or false? Seals live in the polar region. Is that true or false? Yes, that is true. Yes, good job, class. They do live in the polar region. True or false? Jaguars live in the dry region. that true, class? Or false? Good job, class. Very good job. That is not true. Now, I want to know, where do they live again? Forgot? Don't worry. You can go back to the slide. Where do they live, class? Tropical. See? Wanted to trick y'all. You guys did good. Okay, number 8, true or false? Rabbits live in the temperate region. Yes, that is true, class. Rabbits do live in the temperate region. Next, which animal does not live in the tropical region? Come on, class. Yes, grizzly bears do not belong in the tropical region. Where do the grizzly bears belong to? Grizzly bears, where do they belong to? I need some help. Continental. Let's see, good job, class. Last question. What's your favorite region to go to? Which one is your favorite? Yay! I wanted to trick y'all. It's all of them. Doesn't matter. It's whichever one's your favorite. Everything is correct. See the results. All right, guys. Good job. Good job. High five. Virtual high five. Good job on the test. Congratulations. You guys know your information very well. Okay. So, it's almost time for recess. Whoops. Uh-oh. Before we go to recess, I have passed you guys a paper. So, for this exit ticket, on the left side, what did you learn today from this topic? And lastly, what questions do you still have for this particular lesson? So, if you're still confused on this test, if you didn't do so well, this is a perfect opportunity to ask any questions. No right or wrong answers. I accept any questions and I'll gladly answer them. So you just put it behind the chair where I leave it, and then once you're done, you may go ahead and go to recess. Alrighty. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys will do well. Thank you. Thank you for watching.